Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to set up an email campaign in Hubspot and confidently send emails that connect with your audience. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to sharpen your skills, this walkthrough will guide you through the process step by step so you can create and send effective email campaigns with ease. To get started, head over to your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, look at the navigation menu at the top. Click on Marketing, then select Email from the drop-down options. This will take you to the email dashboard, which acts as your control center for managing all your email campaigns. Next, click on the Create Email button. You'll see several options, including regular, automated, and blog emails. For this tutorial, focus on regular email, which is ideal for standard announcements and general communications with your audience. After selecting regular email, you'll be prompted to choose a template. HubSpot offers a variety of templates designed for different use cases, such as newsletters, promotional alerts, or simple announcements. Choose the template that best fits your campaign's goal, then begin customizing it. Adjust elements like images, text, and layout to match your brand's style and message. Keep in mind that the more personalized and relevant your email is, the higher engagement it's likely to receive. Once your email is ready, hover over the Review and Send button. This step is important because it highlights any required fields or sections that still need to be completed before sending. These may include the subject line, preview text, and recipient list. Take a moment to double-check everything to ensure your email is polished and complete. When you're satisfied with the content and all required fields are filled out, click Review and Send. If you want to be extra sure about how your email will appear in recipients' inboxes, click Preview and Test first. This allows you to view your email across different devices and platforms, and you can even send a test email to yourself or a colleague to catch any last-minute issues. Once everything looks good, go ahead and hit Send. Your email will be delivered to your selected audience, ready to inform, engage, and inspire. And just like that, you've successfully set up an email campaign in HubSpot. Keep experimenting with different templates and content styles to see what works best for your audience. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your email campaigns.